we always have body sensations, changing from one to the next. In our younger years, we may be blessed with less pain and less struggle to move about. And as we grow old and wise, we may have to learn how to deal with discomfort more often than when we were young. So this is a good practice to learn for those times in the future when you need to endure some discomfort. Focus in on your areas of discomfort. And take a closer look at it. How does it feel? And how do these feelings change from moment to moment? Are the sensations moving from one area of the body to another? Even if it's close by, notice the details of your discomfort. Perhaps the pain grows sharper and then dies down, and then rises up again, then dies down, like the waves of an ocean. Or maybe one area of your body grabs your attention, and then another grabs your attention. Notice the very slight differences in change of your body sensations. Give your mind some work to do by noticing and looking at the impermanence of your pain. How big is your area of discomfort? You will notice that the more you pay attention to what your pain is actually like, the more you notice how complex it is. If you could rate your pain